What's up? Did you miss me? Well, I'm back. We're going to do some crispy chicken. Oh, yeah. What do you need? A bag of chicken, flour, panko, seasonings, whatever the fuck you're putting on it. Let's go. All right, first things first. These things are not even. They are fat in some spots, and we got to fix that. So, I don't have a mallet. We're going to use this. Oh, God. Bam! Good stuff. Alright, pretty simple here. I got my chicken all flattened out how I want it. I got about 5 egg whites. That might be too much. I got a cup and a half of fucking flour. And then right here I got some panko. Put that panko in a pan right there. It's gonna be great. Step one, we need to season this chicken. Since I'm not using this bag again, I'm just gonna tear it open. I'm just gonna tear it open. I'm just gonna tear it. I'm gonna tear it open like that. All right. I should probably just remove this. Okay. Oh, it's not coming. I'm over it. Over it. So, real simple. Salt, pepper, and I am going to do a little garlic powder. And fuck it, some paprika. Let's go. Get fancy with it. Good enough. Wham, bam, thank you, man. All right, and then we're gonna cover it up. You want to keep one hand dry if you can. And we're not trying to crazy coat this. We just want it dry. Like you see in there, there's a little bit. Get up in those crevices. Okay, you want the whole thing dry. Bam. Remove that piece of fat. All right, and from there, we're going into egg mix, egg wash, whatever. Coat that sucker real good. Again, we're not trying to soak it. We're just trying to get it wet again. And we'll pick that up and we'll let it go. And then, off in the panko. Ah. Oh no. No, I did that backwards. All right, so with this part, you actually kind of want to press this stuff into it. Yes. Oh yeah, look at that crispy goodness. This is gonna be awesome. Boom. All right. Nice, crispy. Dry, and then now we're gonna put this on a piece of parchment. Give it this. Well, we're gonna just put this on a plate, but then we're gonna cover it with parchment, and each piece afterwards will go. So I can probably fit two. So I'll put another piece right there, and I'll put a piece of parchment over the top, and then we'll rest the other ones while we heat up our oil. For cooking, which I'm going to do now, real quick, because I forgot, and that's okay. So what I'm going to do is, in my 12-inch skillet, because I don't have a 10-inch skillet, I'm going to dump a bunch of oil. If my short ass can reach it. Oh God. I got it. It's a big jug. Oh, copyright. I don't know. But you want to cook these things at 325 to 350 and about 2 cups of oil. So what I'm going to do, since I have the option, is I'm going to take this giant pan filled with oil, and I'm going to throw it in the oven. Take you along for the ride. Come on, y'all. I'm going to throw it in the oven. Bake 350. And we're going to let that oil heat up. Bam! And then we're going to cook this sucker in the oven rather than fry it. I think it's going to work. Let's find out. All right. The oven's gone off, which means that our skillet is ready. I'm going to locate this pan and my biscuits. That's not that bad. So I have room for my skillet. We're ready. All right. Now, I have to assume that this oil is also at 350 degrees because it all heated up at the same time. That is not 350 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and we're going to come back and we're going to try again. Yeah, all right, yeah, all right, all right. All right. I gave up on the oven technique real quick and just went to the stovetop, which also didn't work out in my favor, but whatever. So this is at a ripping 400 degrees, and I've heard the term shimmering oil, and I've never really understood that until now. And let me tell you, it's beautiful and horrifying because it looks like it's about to bubble, and it kind of is. But you don't want fucking boiling oil on your fucking stove. So anyway, I turned that off. I believe since this is a cast iron, it's going to go ahead and maintain its heat throughout. And as I add chicken to it, since I only have 4 pieces, it's going to lose temperature as it goes down. We'll maintain it if we have to by turning it back on. But I don't think we're going to have to. I think the pan's going to be plenty hot for us to go ahead and get through to these 4 pieces. Which, let me tell you, are goddamn sexy. So, let's get started. ASMR coming in. See the grate? I have the grate. It's right there. We're going to put it on there. Paper towel on it. ASMR. Actually, I don't know if this is going to ASMR for you or what, but let's find out. Okay, so these didn't pound out as good as I wanted. They're still a little bit thicker on the ends there. So what I'm going to do is set those in and we lay them away, all right? Damn, that's sexy. I got too much oil in there too. This is horrifying. Okay, so I'm gonna let those go for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's at like 400, so probably go 3 minutes each side. But did you see what I did there? How I put the fat pieces in, and as soon as they got in, then I could pretty much almost stop for like 10 seconds, and then I started slowly adding the rest of the meat in, and then finish part at the end there. Man, those suckers are looking good already. We're gonna want to try and keep these suckers separated. They're friends, but we don't want them to join together in marriage. We don't want them being that good of friends. We just wouldn't be marriage. We'd be more like conjoined twins, and we don't need that. I'm probably gonna have to do surgery later on. Like, come on. These are browning up nicely already. Pretty excited about this. This is technically katsu chicken. See how much we lost. Okay, so we lost about 75 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this up to medium just so we can maintain that heat. Dropped more than I thought it would. I'll let that go just a little bit longer. Getting a nice browning, nice toastiness over here. I can go a little longer. I want these done and crispy. Give them some deep color. Yeah. Y'all like my awful scruff? This is me after like 2 weeks. Like, mustache is okay. I mean, it looks terrible, but it's actually something. But yeah, all right. Yeah, terrible. I try to do this every winter. Never works. Okay. And those are looking fantastic. Alright, again, we're going to cook these for another like 3 or 4 minutes. Give the other side some nice color. Make sure these reach temp. You want to be 165. But yeah, so far so good. The problem with chicken is it's very lean, so there's a good chance you're going to overcook this. But if you add something like oil, which is another fat, it kind of helps even it out a little bit, I guess. It's much less healthy, but what are you going to fucking do? Getting eager. It's been like 30 seconds. I'm like, oh yeah, let's do this. You guys don't want to watch me just stand here talk to you like an asshole, do you? No, I'm sure you don't want to do that. I'll come back when they're done. Alright, while I finish up, got a couple still going. Like I said, I had 4, but I will show you. Bam! Looks like chicken fried steak, right? And like crunch. That's fucking crunchy, yo. So, try it out for yourself. Get back at me. Let me know what you think and what you do differently. Spices wise, don't change all the other crap. Just gotta know you want to see it. That's good shit.